Hey, what is up y'all? I'm Andrew. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're unboxing MagSafe. Finally. So, right here in this FedEx package, which just arrived today, I have not only one MagSafe, but two MagSafe chargers. And I also have a USB-C power brick, which is super cool. But yes, today, right now, we're unboxing first is the power brick. So, taking off the little thing, and then we pull, and here it is. It looks like the 18-watt power bricks that used to come with the iPad Pros. So yeah, it's nothing's different. But it is wrapped in paper, which is super cool. Not really, I'm just getting over dramatic. But yes, this is what it looks like. It looks normal compared to this. It's just newer, that's it. Okay, now, MagSafe. This is what this is what I've been waiting for, and I'm super excited. So, peel off this little pull tab, pull it open, and it looks like this. Inside is some paperwork that will not come out. There it is. It's just your warranty information. And then the package says, designed by Apple, California. And you open it up, and inside you have the MagSafe charger and the cable. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, and then we just take this little part off. You have to unclip it, and it all comes off. It's 3 meters long, which I think is a good length. And then you just pull on this side, and there it is. This is your MagSafe charger. On the back, it has this shiny brushed aluminum look. And we're gonna take this cord and plug it into my computer down here, because I don't wanna use this or whatever. Nice. So right now I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max with the Baltic blue leather case, but I'm gonna take it off for purposes of testing it alone with the chargers. Up. Ooh, shiny stainless steel rims that get. Okay, so here we go. This is the phone. This is the MagSafe charger. MagSafe charger. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's so cool because I like it because it's super strong on there. And you can literally just hold your phone like this. I kind of want to go and try and go fishing with this, so I'm just gonna, and it picks up the phone just fine. And it doesn't really come off. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It is stuck on there. And I like that you can just move it around. The magnets are super strong and it doesn't come off, which is really good. And to take it off, you just give it a nice pull and that's it. Okay, that's with a naked phone. Let's try it with the case on it. So, case, going in. Of course, you have your regular case logo, thingy-mabobber, and then, there we go. And now it's charging. And that's with the case. However, Apple does say that if you use the MagSafe charger with the leather cases, it's gonna leave an imprint, but I wouldn't mind it because the imprint is gonna be in a circle around the Apple logo. And I think that's pretty cool. So, again, this is what it looks like. It's super cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, this is what MagSafe sounds like.